शुक्ला सन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये ऐहिकामुष्मिकौरात सिद्ध्यै मुक्तिश्च सिद्धये बहुकृत्यं पुरा स्याभूत् तत्सर्वमधुना कृतम्. So, a jnani whose mind is absorbed in the Swarupa, one who has got jnana nishtha, and that is a jivan mukta, he is a krita krityaha. Whatever that needs to be done in this world, he has already done, and that is why, because he has nothing to do to accomplish either something in this world, here or hereafter. Here means in terms of earning, etc., he has nothing to do. Hereafter, to gain the heavens also, he has nothing to do because he doesn't need heaven. So that krita krityatva, the state of having done what needs to be done, is now explained in contrast with the other people who have many things to do because of their ignorance and consequent desires. Tadetat krita krityatvam pratiyogi purassaram anusandhadevayamevam trupyati evam trupyati nityashah. First line, Anvaya as it is. Tadetat krita krityatvam pratiyogi purassaram anusandhadat eva ayam evam nityashah trupyati. Evam nityashah trupyati. Tadetat krita krityatvam. This krita krityatva, etat krita krityatvam, that this accomplishment, state of accomplishment wherein what it needs to be done, is now being considered in contrast with the state of a person who has many things to do. Pratiyogi purassaram. Pratiyogi purassaram means that is in contrast with the correlate. We have seen what is pratiyogi here. Here who is the pratiyogi? The person, jivan mukta, jnana nishtha is the one who has nothing to do. In contrast, one who has got many things to do is the pratiyogi in this context, like day and night. So, pratiyogi purassaram means preceded by correlate, means drawing the contrast with the correlate, the person who has got many things to be done. Anusandadad, considering, alluding, referring to. Eva, I am this jnani. Evam nityashah trupyati. So he is always content in this manner. The contrast is shown, and he says, because I am really a contented person, because I have nothing to be done. Because something to be done is always there so long as something needs to be accomplished. I have nothing to acquire or attain or accomplish. I have nothing to be done. So that contrast is now being shown with respect to so many aspects in life. Dukkino jñā samsarantu kamam putradyapekshaya paramanandapurnoham samsarami kimichchaya ajñāha putradyapekshaya dukkhinah kamam samsarantu dukkhinah kamam samsarantu paramanandapurnoham kimichchaya samsarami paramanandapurnoham kimichchaya samsarami. Say, let these people, who are those who have got many things to be done. Why? Ajñāha, ignorant person. Those who know not their swarupa, and why they have got many things to be done? Putradyapekshaya, because of apeksha, expectation here in terms of desire. Putra, progeny, children, etc., etc. means what? To have putra, what he has to do? To get married, to get married, what is required? The fellow has to stand on his own feet, that is required. So like that, so that is there. So that means he has to earn again. What needs to be done? Today's madness, from KG onwards, for admission and all nonsense is going on. So anyway, they say that also in India. These three things, selling of education, food and medical care. Actually that is going on in India is a disgraceful thing. Elsewhere is okay, but India, in the country which is not meant for this, where these three things are to be given freely because they are gifts of God, but it is going on. Anyway, so that putradyapekshaya, because of the desires of having all these things, dukkhinah, they are what? Happy or sorrowful? Many desires are not fulfilled, they are legitimately sorrowful. He says, let them kamam samsarantu. Here kama is not desire. Kamam means atyantam. Let them, those who have got ignorant people, who have got such desires, let them continue in samsara doing many things. Okay, let them do. I don't object about that because they have to do. Such people should not keep quiet. They should certainly act, because so long as the desires are there, keeping quiet is, without not taking to action, is dangerous. Let them take to corresponding or respective desired actions. Kamam samsarantu atyantam, totally. Let them get engaged in samsara by doing so many things. What about you? You also should do something. You may be having something to gain. He says, why should I? Why? You know who am I? Paramananda Purnoham. I am the one who is Paramananda Sarupa. Purna, I don't lack anything. I told you, all this should be taken in the right perspective of a person who has got nishtha in the Sarupa. Because he says, I don't need Nididhyasana also, because he has crossed the stage of Nididhyasana. Otherwise it will sound to be a hypocritical statement. Anybody can make such a statement. It is not a lip service. He has directly cognized the Swarupa, Paramananda Swarupa, Purna he has discovered. Paramananda Purna Swarupoham, Swarup Purnaha Aham, Kimichchaya Samsarami. Come on, tell me. Kimichchaya, desiring what I should get subject to samsara. You may say, what is the connection between Ichcha and samsara? Ichcha means karma. Karma means Karmaphala. Karmaphala means Janma Marana Samsara. So when I have discovered myself with Paramanda Purna, I have no desire. When I have no desire, no karma, no kritya. No kritya means no karmaphala, no samsara, no samsara. Why should I get subject to samsara? So ichha means I don't need any karma. Now, the contrast between those who work for Svarga. Now this was Ihaloka. Putradi Apeksha were in this world. Now those who want Svarga etc., let them take to Karma Anushtana. Do you know who am I? I don't need that. That is being shown. Anutishtantu karmani paraloka iyasavaha sarvalokatmaka kasmat anutishtami kim katham paraloka iyasavaha karmani anutishtantu sarvalokatmakaha kim katham sarvalokatmakaha add aham kim katham kasmat anutishthami kim katham kasmat anutishthami. Let these people take to karmas. Who are those? Paraloka iyasavaha. That is, paraloka here is Svargaloka. Svargalokadi iyasavaha jigamishavaha. Those who have got ichha to go, desire to go to Paraloka. Such people. Iyasava means those who want to go to heavens. These people, let them do this. What? Karmani anutishtantu. Those who are desirous of going to heaven, let them take to the karmas which lead them to heaven. I have no objection for that. But don't you do karmas to go to Swarga? Which Swarga you are talking? Do you know who am I? I am this. Sarvalokatmakaha. I am the one who is Sarvalokaswarupaha. The true nature of all Jagat is what? Chaitanya Swarupa, Atma, Brahma, me who is the Adhisthana. I am the one who is the very basis for all Loka. All Loka includes entire Brahmanda. Entire Brahmanda, for entire Brahmanda, me, Atma Swarupa, Chaitanya Swarupa, Brahma is the basis, Adhisthana. Therefore, Sarvaloka Swarupaha aham. Kim anutishthami, katham anutishthami, kasmad anutishthami. So, kim anutishthami? What shall I do? What am I to do? Why? To do something, what is required? Some sadhana is required. Some goal is required. Is it not? Therefore it says, that is me who have no desire at all, and when there is no desire for Swarga, there is no question of doing anything. Therefore kim katham, katham means kena sadhanena. By what sadhana? Because there is nothing other than me. Me alone is everything. Kasmad, kasmad means there is nothing to be desired other than me, and there is no question of desiring me because I have already discovered myself. So, on account of what should I take to karma? There is no reason whatsoever. It means he has got the Atma Drishti in everything. Jiva Drishti is no more there. If I am an individual, then separate from the world, I have got many things to acquire. Here he has discovered that nothing, everything is nothing but Atma. So therefore, there is no question of any karma to be done for gaining the Swarga. Well, You may not have anything to do to gain for yourself like Swarga. At least for the sake of others, should you do not do something? At least you are a person who has studied Vedas. Teach other people Vedas. Why not? Why not means for the parartha, for the sake of others you do something. He says, why should I? Vyachakshataam te shastrani Vedan adhyapayantu va Yetradhikarino metu Nadhikaro kriyatvatah Ye atra adhikarinah te shastrani vyachakshatam Shastrani vyachakshatam Vedan adhyapayantu va Vedan adhyapayantu va. You can add there Paresham prayojanaya, or after vyachakshatam you can add that Paresham prayojanaya Vedan adhyapayantu va. May to add tatra akriyatvatah adhikarah na add asti. May to add tatra akriyatvatah adhikarah na add asti. Ye atra adhikarinah, then you add santi also. Adhikarinah santi. Those people who are here eligible. Atra. Atra means where? Karma kande. In karma kanda. Because it is addressed to a grahastha who has the eligibility in karma kanda. But may those grahasthas who have got eligibility to take to karma kanda, he says, atra adhikarana santi, who are there like this, let those people shastrani vyachakshatam, let them teach the shastra, let them elaborate the shastra, or for whose sake? For others' sake. Vedan adhyapayantu va, or let them teach Vedas. Here Vedas and Shastras excluding Vedanta. Again, there is also no reason why this Jnani should teach Vedanta also. He may, afterwards he is going to come. First he shows, I have no reason, why should I do? Afterwards he shows, by prarabdha if I do, what am I going to lose? That also is going to show afterwards. Even if I do by prarabdha as it is, I have nothing to lose. That will be shown afterwards. First, there is no reason why should I do. I don't have to. That is the so, Vedan adhyapayantu va. Why not you also do? Me tu tatra. As far as I am concerned, tatra means where? In karma kanda. He has got jnana in karma kanda. Adhikaraha na asti. I don't have eligibility. Why don't you have eligibility? So need not be a sannyasa, he is a jnani. So I don't have eligibility. Why? Of course, sannyasa also is there. Akriyatvatah. Because of me being akriyavan. What is akriyatvatah? Falabhi prayukta kriya rahitatva. In me, there are no kriyas, no karmas induced by phala. To get something to be done, this aspect is not there in me. Because Which me, the Chaitanya Sarupa, Atma Sarupa me. So, in me, this Phalavi Prayukta Kriya is not there. That is what is said as Akriyattvataha. Phalavi Prayukta Kriya Rahitatvat. Me, for me, Atra, in Karmakanda, there is no Adhikara, eligibility. Why should I do? So, I have nothing to be done. Even teaching Vedas, etc., I have nothing to do. Now, here, he has said, because I am Akriyavan, no karmas induced by phala is there, therefore I need not take to karma. This is objected. You are a liar. How? What are you telling? You are not taking to karmas induced by phala. I have seen you going for bhiksha. I have seen you taking bath. I have seen you, this phala is expected or not. Huh? You are telling a lie. Who is it then? That's right. So that it shows that akriyattvataha, that phalavi prayukta kriya, kriyas induced by phala is not there. Let others think so. Truly from my swarupa standpoint, I don't have. That he is showing. Nidra bhikshe snana shauche नेच्छामि न करोमि च द्रष्टारश्चेत् कल्पयन्ति किं मे स्यादन्यकल्पनात्. In some book, the karoti is there. To be changed to mi, karomi. If other people seeing at me, going for bhikshatana, snana, shaucha, nidra, etc., if they attribute those karmas to me, it is their problem. As far as I am concerned, I have nothing to do with them. Nidra bhikshe, sleep, diksha, food, snana, shauche, bath, keeping other things, attending our personal, that is all the natural calls, etc. Na ichchami, I don't desire. Which I don't desire? Prarabdha vashad, he may do all these things. From Atma Sarupa standpoint, I don't desire at all. Not only that, na karomi cha, nor do I do, which I don't do. Atma Sarupa, because he has no identification with the body from that standpoint. Neither I have got desire for this, nor do I ever do. But others are telling, this fellow is taking bhiksha, he is taking bath, sleeping, etc. Prashtaraha kalpayanti chet. Seeing these actions at the body level of me, which is there because of prarabdha, if other people what they say I am doing, which I Atma is doing, prashtaraha kalpayanti chet. If they imagine what this person is sleeping, eating the food, taking the bath, all these things, if they attribute to me, they say, Anya kalpanad imme syad. If other people think so, what am I to do? What can I do? I can't shut their mouth, nor can I make them understand properly. If they think so that I am doing all this because at body level these actions are certainly going on. Therefore, if they say I am doing, they have no right perspective. That is their problem. I can't do anything. Now here one may say, no, you can't disregard the opinion of other people. You should also take into account what other people are telling about you. If you take into account what other people are telling about, you know that father and the son, that pony, वही अवस्था हो जाएगी बाद में. Of course, one thing should be certainly done. If criticism comes, first and foremost thing one should take to self introspection. If there is some truth in the criticism, better one sets right oneself. If one knows that one should not bother about that, if there is no reason in oneself. That is not that, not to be heedless as such, but here the context is different. From Atma Sarupa, whose mind is absorbed in the Sarupa, he is talking here. So therefore, Anya Kalpanad, what am I to do? It is there because of the ignorance they are attributing all these things to me. I have really nothing to do. So therefore, Anya Kalpana need not be bothered, for which some example is given. Gunja punjadi daiheta nanya ropita vannina nanya ropita samsara dharmanevamaham bhaje. Add yatha. Yatha gunja punjadi anyaropita vannina na dahyeta. अन्यारोपित वह्निना न दह्येत एवं अन्यारोपित संसार धर्मान अहम न भजे एवं अन्यारोपित संसार धर्मान अहम न भजे. यथा, just as illustration is Gunja punjadi. Gunja is a kind of shrub. Punja means a heap. Yes, something red is there in that. Red flowers, etc. Red those tiny seeds are there. Because of that, as if it is ablaze, as if flames are all around it. That type of sight is there. In the sun, it appears as though the shrub is burning. Gunja punjadi, so that such collection of this particular type of shrub, anyaropita vannina. The person who is looking at it and says this is burning. Actually it is not burning. He says anyaropita vannina. By the fire which is attributed by an onlooker, na dahyeta. It doesn't burn. Why? Because really, truly there is no fire at all. It appears as though fire is there. Even at times, there is a particular type of grass, not this paddy, this thing, etc. Other grass is there. So what they do, they store it, make a heap of it. And in the summer, what happens? As if because of the sun, as if flames are there. Actually, the air rarefied, its movement, etc. You can say as if there are flames are there. Really, there is no fire at all. It's only an illusion. So, like that. So, say, anyaropita vannina na dahyeta. It doesn't get destroyed. Evam, in the same manner, anyaropita samsara dharma. This samsara dharma attributed by others on me. This person is taking bhiksha, he is taking snana, he is sleeping, etc. So at body level, prarabdha is going on, but from my Atma Swarupa, when my mind is absorbed in Swarupa, they have nothing to do with me. Anyaropita samsara dharma. The characteristics of the samsara attributed to me by others, aham na bhaje. Aham na bhaje means I don't partake them. I don't receive them. I don't share them. They can't touch me. I am aloof from all those things. That's fair. The shrub is not on fire, though somebody sees it to be so. So also this samsara dharma, others may think I am totally free from them. Okay, that is fine, sir. But at least tell me, is there no that also not necessary. Why? Shrunvantvad-jnata-tattvaste Jnanan kasma shrunomyaham Manyantam samshayapannaha Namannehama samshayaha. Add ye. Before that, if you want sandhi breaking, you take. Shrunvantu ajnata tattvaha te jnanan kasmat shrunomi aham. Now, anvaya. Ye to be added. Ajnata tattvaha te. Ye ajnata tattvaha te. Shrunvantu. Aham jnanan kasmat shrunomi. Aham jnanan kasmat shrunomi. Samshayapannaha manyantam. Aham asamshayaha namanne. Aham asamshayaha namanne. Ye, those people who are ajnata tattvaha. Those who don't know the Atma Tattva means ajnani people. Let ignorant people, Shrunvantu, let them take to Shravana. I have no objection, they should take to Shravana. What about you? He says, Aham Jnanan. Me jnana, knowing. What knowing? Knowing Atma Tattva. I have got Atma Jnana. I know what is Atma Sarupa. Tasmat Shrunomi. Why should I take to Shravana? Shravana to be taken to gain the knowledge. If I have got the knowledge, why should I take to Shravana? You take to a transport to reach somewhere. If you reach the destination, what is the need of that particular transport? I have no necessity of this. Don't think that Shravana means whole lifelong Shravana karte baithne ka. In fact, I think I might have told you once. There was a brahmachari called Jidnyasu Chaitanya. And he was very proud of his name, Jidnyasu. You know who is Jidnyasu? Jnatum Ichu Jidnyasu. Jnatum Icha Jidnyasa. Jnatum Ichu Jidnyasu. He was very proud of him. We should tell them, whole lifelong don't remain Jidnyasu. Little Buddhu he was, not that very sharp in this, etc. And little dull also he was there. I said, whole lifelong don't remain Jidnyasu Chaitanya. So you have to progress further. So like that. So Shravana is not the goal, Shravana is only the means. I have attended the discourses of all these great stalwarts. So what? Just like telling, I was in the particular standard for 10 years. It seems in olden days there was a doctor, where is this thing? For MBBS final he spent 8 years. But so he was a genius. Afterward, though MBBS, he was a genius. Great, that means what? Specialists used to consult him. I told many of you at Grant Road, Dr. Rangnekar was there. Those who are older, they say, so Dr. Rangnekar was there. His fellow 7 or 8 years he has spent in MBBS. But he was so thorough afterwards specialists from different, that means part of the countries used to refer to him. We think that much, that was that mastery here. In olden days it may be something that, okay, whatever. That means it was not that he was totally dull, but something else must have been there which must have stopped him. So like that. So that is different thing. So here, so not that whole lifelong I have to sit in the same standard, that different thing. So why should I take to Shravana? I have no necessity because I have got the Atma Jnana. Fine, at least take to Manana. This says, Manana for whom? Those who have got the doubts, reflection. I have no doubts, why should I take to reflection? Samshayapannaha manyantam. Those who are riddled with doubt with regards to what? Atma Swarupa, Atma Jnana, manyantam, let them take to manana, let them take to reflection. What about you? You also should take to reflection. Aham asamshayaha na manne. I have no doubt about the Atma Swarupa. I don't take to reflection, manana at all. Why should I take to? Because I have no doubt. Those who have got doubts. Who asked the question? Those who have got the doubt. Those who have no doubt, no question. That is the. In my camps, no questions come at all. I don't know why. I take that they are thoroughly understood. Really? Or those few questions are from the new people, nothing to do with what is taught in this thing. Really, I will say, I am surprised. Therefore, many times I skip the question answer session also. I said, very good it is. So, like that. So, those who have got the doubts will ask the question. If I have no doubts, no question. So, therefore, aham asamshayaha namanne. Okay, agreed. You are a great fellow. Fine. You don't need Shravana. You don't need Manana. At least, should you need Nididhyasana or not? वो तो करना पड़ेगा. वो कैसा तो? How can you escape that? Say, now let us see. Nididhyasana. Viparyasto nididhyase. Kim dhyanam aviparyaya. देहात्मत्व विपर्यासम न कदाचित् भजाम्यहम्. संशयापन्नाः न मन्येऽहमसंशयः. Add ye. Before that, if you want sandhi breaking, you take. Shunvantu ajnata tattvaha te jnanan tasmat shunomi aham. Now, anvaya. Ye to be added. Ajnata tattvaha te. Ye ajnata tattvaha te. Shunvantu. Aham jnanan tasmat shrunomi. Aham jnanan tasmat shrunomi. Samshayapannaha manyantam. Aham asamshayaha namanne. Aham asamshayaha namanne. Ye, those people who are ajnata tattvaha. Those who don't know the Atma Tattva means Ajnani people. Let ignorant people, Shrunuvantu, let them take to Shravana. I have no objection, they should take to Shravana. What about you? It says, Aham Janan. Me, Jnana, knowing. What knowing? Knowing Atma Tattva. I have got Atma Jnana. I know what is Atma Swarupa. Tasmat Shunomi. Why should I take to Shravana? Shravana to be taken to gain the knowledge. When I have got the knowledge, why should I take to Shravana? To take to a transport to reach somewhere. If you reach the destination, what is the need of that particular transport? I have no necessity of this. डोंट थिंक द श्रवण मीन्स होल लाइफ लॉन्ग श्रवण करते बैठने का. आई थिंक आई मस्ट हैव टोल्ड यू वंस. So the brahmachari called Jidnyasu Chaitanya. And he was very proud of his name, Jidnyasu. You know who is Jidnyasu? Jnatum Ichu Jidnyasu. Jnatum Icha Jidnyasa. Jnatum Ichu Jidnyasu. He was very proud of him. We should tell them, whole lifelong don't remain Jidnyasu. Little Buddhu he was, not that very sharp in this, and little dull also he was there. He said, whole lifelong don't remain Jidnyasu Chaitanya. So you have to progress further. So like that. So Shravana is not the goal, Shravana is only the... I have attended the discourses of all these great stalwarts. So what? Just like telling, I was in the particular standard for 10 years. In olden days, there was a doctor, where is this thing? For MBBS final, he spent 8 years. But, so he was a genius. Afterward, though MBBS, he was a genius. Great, that means what? Specialists used to consult him. I told many of you at Grant Road, Dr. Rangnekar was there. Those who are older, this is so Dr. Rangnekar was there. His fellow 7 or 8 years he has spent in MBBS. But he was so thorough, afterwards specialists from different, that means part of the countries used to refer to him, meaning that much there was that mastery here. Olden days it may be something. Okay, whatever. That means it was not that he was totally dull, but something else must have been there which must have stopped him. So like that. So that is different thing. So here, so not that whole lifelong I have to sit in the same standard, that different thing. So why should I take to Shravana? I have no necessity because I have got the Atma Jnana. Fine, at least take to Manana. It says, Manana for whom? Those who have got the doubts, reflection. I have no doubts, why should I take to reflection? Samshayapannaha manyantam. Those who are riddled with doubt with regards to what? Atma Sarupa, Atma Jnana, manyantam. Let them take to manana, let them take to reflection. What about you? You also should take to reflection. Aham asamshayaha na manne. I have no doubt about the Atma Sarupa. I don't take to reflection manana at all. Why should I take to? Because I have no doubt. Those who have got doubts, who asked the question? Those who have got the doubt. Those who have no doubt, no question. That's the. In my camps, no questions come at all. I don't know why. I take that they are thoroughly understood. Really? Or those few questions are from the new people, nothing to do with what is taught in this thing. Really, I'm surprised. Therefore, many times I skip the question answer session also. I said, very good it is. So, like that. So, those who have got the doubts will ask the question. If I have no doubts, no question. So, therefore, aham asamshayaha namanne. Okay, agreed. You are a great fellow. Fine. You don't need Shravana. You don't need Manana. At least, should you need Nididhyasana or not? वो तो करना पड़ेगा. वो कैसा तो, how can you escape that? Now let us see. Nididhyasana. Viparyasto nididhyase. Kim dhyanama viparyaya. Dehatmatva viparyasam na kadachit bhajamyaham. Viparyastaha nididhyase. Aviparyayat kim ध्यानम अविपर्यात् किम ध्यानम अहम देहात्मत्व विपर्यासम न कदाचित भजामि। अहम देहात्मत्व विपर्यासम न कदाचित भजामि। विपर्यस्तः निदिध्यासे। This person, who is this viparyasta? Who is viparyasta? Who has got still the deha tadatmya, erroneous notion that the body etc. are me. Why so? Atma jnana dardhya is not there. Jnana he has got, but jnana nishtha is still not there. And therefore, in spite of knowing the Swarupa, habitually still continues to take the embodiment as I. Such a person, in spite of knowing the Swarupa, has got the wrong notion of taking the body as I at times. Such a person, viparyastaha, means dehadau atma buddhi lakshana, who has got. Viparyasa means atmani atadjnana rupa, means what is not atma to be taken as atma, and what is atma is taken to be endowed with anatma. Like that means dehatadhatmya. So such a person who has got dehatadhatmya, in spite of having knowledge, nididhyase, let him take to nididhyasana, means repeatedly with ekagrata, let him make his mind what? Appreciate, dwell on Swarupa. Nididhyasana means what? Making the mind take to anusandhana, appreciation of one's own Swarupa. It's like this. Pauna punnena ekagrena samyak jnanavapti paryantam chintai. So repeatedly, pauna punnena, repeatedly, ekagrena, with nishchalata, steadiness of the mind, with a single pointedness, samyak jnanavapti paryantam, until one appreciates one's own Swarupa, let him chintai, let him take to such chintana. Means, let him take to such contemplation wherein he tries to dwell on one's own Swarupa, appreciate one's own Swarupa. So for that means are there, means are true. Okay. Now, you also should do that. You say, aviparyayat kim dhyanam. I don't have viparyasa. I don't, because that jnanishta being there in me, I don't have viparyasa. Dehatadhatmya, erroneous notion of taking body as me is not there. Therefore, kim dhyanam. Kim dhyanam means me dhyanam kimartham. Kim dhyanam means not what is meditation, no. Me, for me, dhyanam kimartham, for what should I take to dhyana means I need not take to nididhyasana called dhyana. Why I don't need nididhyasana? Aham dehatma viparyasam. Dehatma viparyasam means dehaha eva atma iti viparita jnanam. Viparyasa is viparita jnana. Dehaha eva atma. Body is I atma iti viparita jnanam. Wrong notion. Na kadachit bhajami. I never entertain, I never have got such wrong notion that the body is me. In spite of knowledge, who have still got that notion of taking the body as me, let them take to nididhyasana, they should certainly take to it. I have got that atma jnana dardhya, nishtha being there, I don't need nididhyasana. Now the question is, if you don't have viparyasa, that body is me, such notion is not there. How do you take to Vyavahara? I have seen you taking to Vyavahara. When you eat, what do? Where do you put the food? Which mouth? Not anybody's mouth. Only you are putting the food in your own mouth. Saro, sab kuch Atma hai na, why don't you put the food in somebody's mouth? That also is Atma, this was Atma. Why do you distinguish? You are putting it in your own mouth. When you take bath, which body you are bathing? Your own body. Clothing, etc. Are these Vyavahara, is it ever possible without taking your body as I? I have seen you doing that. So how do you do that? And you say what? You have no viparyasa. That one, that is taking the body as a manusya, etc., without viparyasa, it continues. Why? Those earlier samskaras are so strong, without much attention, adhyasa, etc., it continues. Just see. When you had learnt walking, ask your mother, how much great effort they had taken to, has to be what? They have to hold you and few steps and you should tumble down, etc. How much attention? Now, this fellow is cutting joke with someone talking, etc. and walking. No attention required. Why? By repeated this thing that samskara has become so much ingrained, you need not pay attention to that. Like that, see, this I am a man eating, etc. These take place because of the vasanas. That samskaras are so strong, earlier samskaras are so strong, without attention, without viparyasa, I need not take especially the body as they take place. Aham manusya ityadi vyavaharo vinapyamum viparyasam chirabhyasta vasanato vakalpati. Aham manusyaha ityadi vyavaharaha amum viparyasam vina api. Amum viparyasam vina api chirabhyasta vasanataha avakalpati. Such vyavaharas, such dealings, what type of dealings? Aham manusyaha, I am a man. See, jnani, after gaining knowledge, what will he take to? He will not say I am an angel, etc. I am a man, he knows. Ityadi vyavahara amum viparyasam vina. Without this erroneous dehatadhatma, erroneous identification in the body, vinapi, even without that, avakalpate is possible. How is it possible? Chirabhyasta vasanataha. On account of vasana, samskaras, which are what? Taken to chirabhyasta, practice for a long period. What long period? From anadi kala till now, the body was taken as I, whether human embodiment or any embodiment. So that samskara continues for the vyavahara required until the prarabdha is over. I need not have a separate wrong notion that I am the body. Avakalpati, they are possible to take place. Now the next question. At least to get rid of this vyavahara, should we not take to nididhyasana? You are dealing with the world, is it not? You should get rid of that. Why should you? He says, unless the prarabdha is over, your nididhyasana is not going to eliminate. Prarabdha karmani क्षीणे व्यवहारो निवर्तते कर्माक्षये त्वसौ नैव शाम्ये ध्यानसहस्रतः प्रारब्ध कर्मणि क्षीणे एड सति व्यवहारः निवर्तते कर्माक्षये तु असौ ध्यान सहस्रतः न शामेत एव Do you know when Vyavahara stops? Vyavahara means all dealings that are taken to with the body. You know when it stops? When by exhaustion of prarabdha karma your body is off, jnani's body is off, Vyavahara will stop, not before that. Prarabdha karmani kshine sati. Prarabdha karmas have got exhausted. Vyavaharaha nivartate. Vyavahara stops. Why is Vyavahara stops? Body itself is not there. It is prarabdha itu. But so long as prarabdha karma is not exhausted, that's what it is. Karma kshayetu asau. Asau means this Vyavahara. Karma kshaye. When the prarabdha karmas have not got exhausted, even if you take to dhyana, nididhyasana continuously, Vyavahara is not going to stop. Dhyana sahasrataha. Literally, dhyana sahasrataha means by thousands of meditations on nididhyasana. Asankheya dhyanebhyaha. Understand? You can't count dhyana. However long one may take to dhyana. However long one may take to meditation or dhyana, that is what dhyana sahasrata, na shameta eva. Vyavahara doesn't get terminated. Vyavahara will go only by prarabdha, just as that dashamaha, his wound on the forehead will go only by medicine, not dancing that I have found the dashama. He is dancing all along, the wound will not, it may aggravate also. So he has to take to medicine. Like that, Vyavahara has to end only by prarabdha kshaya, not by dhyana, not by nididhyasana. Okay, but at least you should take to nididhyasana to reduce the impact and intensity of Vyavahara. Thoda kam karo. So much of Vyavahara. Why so much of Vyavahara? To reduce the intensity of Vyavahara, should you not take to nididhyasana? That Vyavahara doesn't bother me. It doesn't come in my way of my Atma Swarupa appreciation. Why should I? So for those which is the obstruction, let them, because if Jnana Dardha is not there, if Vyavahara is opposing an hindrance in the Atmanusandhana, certainly let them take to nididhyasana. I don't have this problem, and that Vyavahara is not clashing with my Swarupa. Why should I? विरलत्वं व्यवहृतेः इष्टं चेद्ध्यानमस्तु ते अबाधिकां व्यवहृतिं पश्यन् ध्यायाम्यहं कुतः. In many books there is abadhikam is there. One book, I don't know, what is Ramakrishna Mission book? Abadhikam. Huh? Ramakrishna Mission book? Huh? Oh. But old many books are only is there. Even Nirnaya Sagar are there. But in one old book I found abadhikam. It has to be abadhikam and not abadhikam. Abadhikam vyavahritim pashyan dhyayami aham kutaha. Anvaya. Vyavahritehe viralatvam ishtam chet te dhyanam astu. If this is your intention, what is that? Vyavahritehe, of the vyavahara. What vyavahara? I am a man, etc. If these feelings, what? Viralatvam. What is viralatvam? Kadachitkam, rarity. If you want me to reduce the intensity of vyavahara, if you want to reduce the, if you means what? He is a jnani only. But that atma nishtha is not, jnana nishtha is not there. And therefore if you want to reduce the intensity of this vyavahara, vyavaratehe viralatvam ishtam te, if that is desired by you, te means for you such a person, dhyanam astu. Certainly you take to what? Dhyana nididhyasana. What about you? I don't think. Abadhikam vyavahritim pashyan. Seeing the vyavahara as the one which is abadhikam. Abadhikam means asantapakarini. Asantapakarini means that vyavahara doesn't cause any anguish in me, any affliction in me. So therefore, so it is not distracting me. Abadhikam vyavahritim pashyan aham kutaha dhyayami. Me. Who is that me? One who has got thorough samyak jnana without erroneous notion. Kutaha, on account of what reason for what purpose dhyayami, should take to nididhyasana. Why? This vyavahara doesn't trouble me, doesn't torment me. For those, that is the problem, let them take to nididhyasana, I don't object. But for me, because of jnana dardhya, vyavahara doesn't pose a problem, I need not take to vyavahara. Fine. At least to take to samadhi by getting rid of vikshepa, should you not take to nididhyasana? Minimum. Because vikshepas, agitation in the mind come or not, you should get rid of them and should get into absorbed in the samadhi. For that you have to take to nididhyasana, let us say. Vikshepo nasti yasman me na samadhistato mama vikshepo va samadhirva manasasya dvikarinaha. Once again I am repeating, this is a person who has already taken to Shravana, Manana and Nididhyasana up to the point of getting the mind absorbed and getting this Samadhi. Already got this Samadhi and now he doesn't need, not otherwise. Otherwise Nididhyasana is indispensable. He has already taken to Nididhyasana sufficiently long and his mind is absorbed in the Sarupa. Vikshepa are not there because Samadhi is there. Now, henceforth, he has nothing to do. Otherwise, no, it becomes a big hypocritical statement. It is not applicable to others will have to take to nididhyasana. But by nididhyasana and consequent samadhi, he has got such nishtha, henceforth, even that is no more required. So therefore he says, Anvaya, Yasmat me vikshepaha nasti. Yasmat me vikshepaha nasti. Tataha mama samadhihi na. Tataha mama samadhihi na. Vikshepaha va samadhihi va. विकारिणः मनसः स्यात्. विक्षेपः वा समाधि वा विकारिणः मनसः स्यात्. Because of this reason, yasmat, because of the reason, may, in my case, vikshepaha nasti. I don't have vikshepa because the mind is so absorbed in the sarupa, or that Atma Sarupa is so clear that he knows even if vikshepas come, where do they come? Antakarna. Jayativa, Leelayativa. As though the mind appears to be agitated, so the mind appears as though to be taken to have, which has taken to dhyana. So that is that nishtha is so much. Therefore, yasmat me vikshepaha nasti. I don't have vikshepa, therefore he says tataha, therefore, mama, for me, samadhina. I don't need samadhi. What is samadhi? Vikshepa pratikaraha samadhi. Samadhi is required to counteract the vikshepa. Because the mind is subject to agitation, you have to eliminate and make it absorb. Samadhi, practice of samadhi is required. I don't have vikshepa. So if I don't have disease, why should I take to medicine like that? I don't need samadhi. Do you know whether samadhi or vikshepa, whom do they belong? Not to Atma, they belong to Antakarna only. Because the mind is agitated, you have to take to means of samadhi. But Atma is free from both vikshepa and samadhi. Vikshepaha va samadhirva. Whether it is vikshepa, agitation, antaka, so many antakarna vrittis coming, or samadhi, absorbed state of mind, it is for whom? Vikarinaha manasaha syat. It is meant for the mind which is vikari, means vikarashila, subject to change, modification. It belongs to mind and not to me, the Chaitanya Swarupa, avikari Atma. Fine, you may not need samadhi. Please. Oh.